So here I'm going to show you another assortment. This is the Kitchen Classics in the Midi plug. That's about a 3 cm plug in a paper pot. I'm going to pot them into various sizes. Here's a 12 cm pot, just under 1 litre of compost in here. Got some 3 litre pots, so I'll probably put a few in each of those. And then I've got various little containers here, and this which is a traditionally strawberry or herb container, so that you can cut the herbs and as and when you need them. Okay, I'll show you at the end what we produce. So that's all potted up. Let's show you what 100 plants potted up into their containers actually looks like. So this is what 100 plants of the Kitchen Classics Midi plug, this is what it produces. Plenty for you, your friends and all your family.